Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter and exit the recovery mode on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. To do this, you will need to use your computer, you will need to open iTunes, and you also need to use the USB cable. You need to connect the iPhone to your computer, whether it is PC, laptop, Windows, or Mac, it doesn't really matter. So once you do that, once you connect the USB cable and connect your iPhone with PC, then after that, you want to open iTunes, and once you open iTunes, you want to pretty much use this combination of keys. You want to press volume up and then volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you pretty much enter the recovery mode. So let's do this. I'm gonna press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the side button. Now we need to keep holding this side button even though the screen will turn off. So keep holding it. The device is now shut down for temporarily. Keep holding the side button. You will see the Apple logo. Keep holding the side button. You cannot let it go. And there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. And then once you want to exit the recovery mode, if you unplug the USB cable and you are stuck on the screen, then what you can do is pretty much press and hold the side button. So you want to press and hold it in order to turn off the recovery mode, and you may try to hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. However, if that doesn't happen, you want to pretty much press and hold the side button one more time, and by doing so you will definitely turn the device back on. And of course, this time you will return to the normal mode of the iPhone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!